all are doing good. I am Dr. Atithi Jaiswal, as you all know me, but those who don't know and are new to this channel, so I am Dr. Atithi Jaiswal. I have graduated from Tver State Medical University, Russia. So yes, I am a foreign medical graduate and I have cleared my FMGE exam with 207 marks. So yes, I'm here to guide you all, and yes, I was getting so many requests in this channel. This is my mom's channel actually, but I was getting so many requests to make videos on FMG. I have made videos like long back ago. So you can see those videos also on how to study for FMG, but many people are going to appear now. As you all know, the exam is 31st August, so everyone is going to appear. So like, all the best for everyone, those who are appearing. And everyone was asking for some strategies and some guidance regarding FMG exams, so I'm here talking about everything, what you have to study, how you have to plan, how you have to prepare for the last 1 month which is remaining, and which is a very crucial time, and you should utilize this time for best. And you all are going to rock the exam. Keep in mind that everyone is going to pass and you all are going to pass. So let's begin the video. So this video is regarding 1 month strategy, how to plan like last 1 month for FMG. So my fellow doctors, and you all are doctors, and I want everyone to clear this exam in August 31st, and you have to comment below that I have cleared, and it will make me the happiest person in the world. So if anything like I can help you is very good thing for me. So let's start, and I want you to know what is important and what you should study for this 1 month remaining. I know you all have studied everything, and yes, if you are watching this video, you have studied everything till now. Just you have to revise, and in this 1 month you have to revise all the 19 subjects. It's very difficult like to revise everything together, but I would advise you that you should revise little things and important things, because this 1 month you cannot revise all the 19 subjects at a whole and study like everything together and go to the exam. Just be relaxed. First of all, relax yourself, and then you should sit to study. I know you have to increase the time you study, because this is very like crucial time. Like the last 1 month is very crucial time, so you have to increase your study hours. I would like to advise that you should increase your study hours. Like if you're studying a little less or you're sleeping more, so like cut down on your sleep and increase your study hours. So first advice is you have to increase your study hours. See guys, this is the last 1 month remaining, and you have to increase your study hours. So cut down on your sleep, cut down on your social medias, and just focus on your studies. So first tip is you should increase your study hours. Second tip is guys that you should start revising important topics in all the subjects. Like you should take one subject and start revising the important points. In that manner you will complete the entire subject without any doubt, because important points in exam are the most important thing. From that 100% questions are going to come, so you have to revise the important topics. And then next, what are the important subjects? People like tend to ask me what should we study and go, what should we leave and go. According to me, you should not leave anything and go, but many of you don't study medicine as a subject, so many of you tell that please आप advise करो कि हमने अगर नहीं पढ़ा है medicine तो if we'll clear or not. But according to me, you will clear, but you just have to practice more. Like medicine is a vast subject to study, so I would advise you to study like heart and recipe in medicine. You should at least study heart and recipe and go to the exam. Like if you have not studied, but in this last 1 month, I know it is very difficult to start something fresh and start something new. So just revise whatever you have studied till now. Only thing you have to do in this 1 month is practice MCQs. See, 80% of things will come from your notes. You know that, but 20% will also come from outside, so don't get scared. First of all, try to apply your knowledge, whatever you have studied. There is everything written in the notes. You just have to pick up from the notes and apply it on the MCQ. Nothing is new, everything will be written in your notes itself. So you have to just study the important topics line wise in every subject. So as you all know that I have done my coaching from MIST, so I had this book MIST All-in-One. So in this book you can see there are many pictures and there is everything in total in this book. That is why the name is All-in-One. So I revised this book in the last 1 month. I used to take this book everywhere I go. So like you can see, I have marked many things here. And yes, I used to love this book because important topics are very well listed here, and also important image. So I would advise you to take this book and study for this 1 month, because a lot of questions come from this book. And another book, that is the famous FMG solutions. So this book is very important. I know you all have it and you have read it and you have like been pro in it, but yes, you have to revise this in this 1 month also. Don't forget revising this book. You can revise the whole book, don't worry. I have done it for myself 7 times, so you can also do it. And yes, you should revise. I have just put this like subject wise from where I should study, like it's for my understanding, so ignore that. But yes, you should revise this, and by revising this, I'm telling that do the MCQs from this. Don't now start and study the explanations and everything, because it is only 1 month. You have already studied explanations and everything you have studied from your notes and from FMG solutions and everywhere. So just start and revise the MCQs. So important MCQs, everything you should revise from this, and MIST All-in-One. So these 2 books are your best friends for the last 1 month. You should just keep on revising these 2 books. Now third, fourth tip, I guess. The fourth tip is you should start giving test. Now test is very important like topic. You should give the test every day. In this 1 month, every day, promise to yourself that you will give test every day, because giving test will make you know that where you stand. Like I know many people are giving test from beforehand and everything, so it's very good that you're giving test. And I am also telling many times, as many times I made video, I told, and whenever I came live also in on YouTube, I told that please give test, please give test. So people following my advice, love you all. You are giving test, so very good. And those who are watching first time, so please start giving test. And this 1 month is all about test and revision, nothing else. You don't study anything new, don't study anything new, just start giving test. You give test and you study MCQs, you practice MCQs daily and give test daily. That will improve your score also and will help you pass the exam. The next thing I want to talk about is the important subject. Everyone is asking me, please tell us the important subjects. So like important subjects is nothing like that this is important and this is not important. Everything is important, but yeah, you should focus more on smaller subjects that will fetch you direct marks. Like don't leave ENT, OPHTA and forensic medicine. This will fetch you direct marks. The questions are straightforward and direct questions. There is no case or clinical history and like that. All the questions are direct questions. This will fetch you direct marks. So ENT, OPHTA and forensic medicine. Please revise, and pedia. Yes, pedia also. Please revise this very thoroughly and revise each and everything in this subject. Your 15 marks like for each subject are in your pocket. These questions come straightforward and very direct questions from these subjects. So please remember ENT, OPHTA, pedia, forensic. Okay. Then next is the bigger subjects. Yes, many people tend to tell me that bigger subjects are not important, like don't study everything, but you should study bigger subjects also. Don't leave them, they fetch you direct 30 marks. So Obs-Gynae best subject hai, study that. And then medicine 30 marks comes. PSM, please don't leave PSM and go. PSM is very important. Even if you don't study medicine, like little, study the heart and respiratory in medicine and study PSM. And obs and gynae, these are 30 marks. They'll fetch you 30 marks, like not 30, at least 25. Yes, they can fetch you 25 even if the clinical questions comes. Okay, so you can crack them very easily. Don't worry, you will get these subjects very easy. Hopefully you have done them all, but then too I'm telling that obs gynae and PSM, don't leave them. Yes, many people tend to ask me about pathology. Pathology is also very important subject. Pathology gives you direct questions like ENT, like those subjects. Pathology also gives you direct questions. So studying pathology is important. Studying anatomy is important. Now in anatomy, please also study image. In my exam there were many like 17 images were there, so please don't leave images and go. You have to study images. For images I referred Mist All-in-One, but you also get profs. But at this 1 month I want to tell you that just study whatever you have. Don't run here and there to take new books and to make new decisions. Just study whatever you have. So study whatever images you have. And I know social media, if you follow many pages, they always put this many pictures, so you can just download one PDF and just start studying from those pictures. Don't spend time on social media, but just download one PDF and start studying those important pictures. Otherwise, whatever you have studied in your classes, or whatever notes you have, or whatever source you have, from that the pictures are enough. So in anatomy, please study pictures and go, because they ask you which muscle is inserted here, and like these kind of questions they tend to ask you. So don't lose your marks on that. And also surgery, please don't forget surgery. Surgery is also 30-mark subject and very important subject. And many people tell me that study general surgery and don't study like normal surgery. No, you have to study everything in surgery. Surgery will fetch you 30 marks, but yeah, in surgery you get clinical based, like scenario based questions. But from general surgery, like burns, everything is important, wounds, these all will give you direct questions. So study surgery also. And for surgery you have to also study images. For obs gynae also study images. For PSM, all the national programs and whatever is introduced like new. And please also study COVID-19 questions, because due to this pandemic the world has changed, and obviously you're going to get COVID-19 questions in this exam surely, because in AIIMS exams also there were questions, and these people only set this paper. So please study COVID-19 questions. If you don't know from where to study, so please go to the YouTube, and in PrepLadder you will find a video where that is a free video on YouTube. It is available. So you will find that video like COVID-19, all the subject questions. So that are not only the questions but videos, small like microbiology, what are the signs and symptoms for COVID in microbiology, what are the things you have to study for COVID in pathology, so what are the things you have to study from PSM regarding only COVID-19. So please study that also and go, because yeah, I know many people have studied, but for those who have not studied, please study that thing and go. Don't miss out COVID-19 questions, because they will ask you in this exam for surely. So please, like I told you, please study that PrepLadder wala video and you are sorted. In that everything is there. It is a 1 hour video, I guess, and everything you want to know about COVID is there in that video. You have just for your exams, just study, just see that video once. Important, like jot down important things you want to like remember, and just look at that pictures and everything, and just go to your exam. Okay. And guys, also don't leave the smaller subjects. Now in smaller subjects means derma, psychiatry, anesthesia and radio. Don't leave these subjects and go study pictures from derma also. And in anesthesia and psychiatry, anesthesia, schizophrenia is a sure short question. And this anesthesia, all the study everything in anesthesia, because anesthesia is important. 5 marks directly you will get. 5 marks you will get directly from anesthesia, psychiatry and derma. I promise you will get those marks. Radio, I don't know, sometimes radio and ortho, I don't know, because sometimes like they give tricky questions also, but yeah, you can crack them. but it's okay if you don't like focus more on them. But yeah, study these three, anesthesia, derma and psychiatry. So, and physio also, I forgot that you have to also study physio and go. You all have studied everything, I know, but then too you should revise everything and go, and revise important topics, because important topics only, I said, as I said before, important topics you have to revise. Don't sit and start studying everything. Just revise the important points and important topics which you have highlighted, like you have prepared for this 6 whole months, so you have highlighted everything. So you just read those highlighted points, read MCQs and give test. Yes, bus. And also I wanted to tell you, all India FMG exam will be held by Prepladder or Deepak Marwa, I don't know, but I have given those 2 exam. It is held or it will be held, I don't know. So please, if I'm mistaken, so I'm sorry. So please check it, that if it is like it's going to come or it's already done. Just practice those 300, 600 questions are there. So those 2 tests you have to practice and go. From that, yeah, you'll get many questions from that, like say not the same questions but the similar topics. So yeah, practice those 2 tests. There are 600 questions. You can easily take out time for this 600 questions. Just read them and go. So this was another important thing which I wanted to tell you. And now many people are like little confused what to take in exam. So you don't have to take anything. Don't even take paper, pencil, nothing. You don't have to take anything. Everything will be provided. Water also is provided inside. Don't take anything because nothing is allowed. So you have to take along 1 document and admit card. That's it. Don't take anything else with you. Admit card with photo, as I told before. So yes, these 2 things only you need. Water bottle bhi nahi leke jana hai. Water bottle is also provided inside. Everything is given inside, and I don't know what are these conditions because of COVID-19. I don't know what will be provided and what will not be provided. So but they don't allow you anything. Okay, so don't take anything, just your admit card with photo and a document. And I don't know what about fingerprint they will take or they will not take. So don't panic. Whatever they do, let them do. You have to only concentrate what you have to write or what you have to click on that computer screen and nothing else. You just concentrate on what you have to do on that computer screen. Don't concentrate ke what is happening here, what is happening there, nothing. You just have to be perfect. Take your admit card with photo and your 1 document, but that's it. And just go and sit in the exam. And all the best. I know you have worked hard all these months, and now it is the time to show what you have done, and it's very important, and this will fetch you the doctor before your name. The real meaning that foreign medical graduate can also be at the level of Indian medical graduate. So please, like, you will win it, and just think that I will do it, I will crack this exam this time, and you will do it for surely, I know. And then we'll celebrate together. Okay, so please pin me also down that when you clear, of course, that I have cleared, and it will make me happy. And yes, I like talking to you about FMG, about my experience, and so I don't want to waste your time more. So just think that you're going to win it, and yes, you will do it, I know. And just take the blessing of your parents and don't forget them, and just sit in the computer screen and you will rock it. Okay, so don't worry. And if any queries you have regarding what I should study, like I am getting depressed or feeling low, so you can talk to me in the comment section. I will surely reply. So yes, I just wanted to come and talk to you about this 1 month strategy which I have done, and everything I have told you. Don't get depressed, and now there is no time to get depressed and get panic. Only thing you have to do is study, and just go in the exam, just write the paper. You will surely clear. Just keep it in your mind that you have to push yourself. No one will do it for you, so you have to push yourself. Stay motivated, and if you're feeling low, just pin me down in the comment section and I'll talk to you. Okay, so if any queries, anything you want to know more, just pin me down in the comment section below, and I'll personally answer all your queries, and everything will be answered in the comment section below. If you want to talk to me or if you want to ask anything more, just write down in the comment section, okay? And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and also watch the various series I've created for FMG. Not now, after, like those who are giving exam, you should concentrate first on your studies. Later you can watch us on this channel, and I'll be talking to you about everything about FMG, my journey, my internship, everything I'll talk. So don't worry about that, and all the best for your exam. You'll rock it, and take care guys. Bye bye.